Cash App Bank? Not quite, but here's what you need to know. Ever split a pizza with friends and scramble to figure out who owes what? Or maybe you need to get that birthday gift to your niece across the country, but a traditional bank transfer seems like overkill. There's a good chance you've turned to Cash App in those situations. It's become a go-to for sending and receiving money quickly and easily. But with its growing popularity, a common question pops up: is Cash App a bank? Let's dive deeper and unpack the world of Cash App, because the answer might surprise you. Cash App, convenience at your fingertips. Imagine carrying a mini bank in your pocket. That's essentially what Cash App is. It's a mobile app that allows you to manage your money on the go. You can send and receive funds from friends and family, pay bills, invest in stocks, yes, you read that right, and even get a debit card linked to your account. It's all about convenience and keeping your finances readily accessible. So, where does your Cash App money live? Here's where things get interesting. Cash App itself isn't actually a bank. It doesn't hold a federal banking license, which is what traditional banks need to operate. Think of it as a middleman between you and your actual bank account. When you deposit money into Cash App, it gets transferred to a custodial account held by a partnered bank. This means your funds are still technically held by a federally insured institution, but not directly by Cash App itself. It's a layer of separation, but your money remains secure. Benefits of using Cash App. Now, let's talk about the perks. Cash App boasts several advantages. Speed: sending and receiving money happens instantly. No more waiting days for bank transfers to clear. It's perfect for those split-second situations when you need to settle up with a friend. Convenience: manage your finances from anywhere with your smartphone. No more trips to the ATM or long wait times on customer service lines. Security: Cash App implements security features like PINs, fingerprint or facial recognition logins, and encryption to protect your information. Fees: while there are some minimal fees for certain transactions, Cash App is generally considered a cost-effective way to manage your money for everyday needs. What Cash App can't do, just yet. While Cash App offers a lot of functionality, it's important to understand its limitations. Here's what it can't do, at least, not yet. Direct deposit: you can't have your paycheck or other recurring deposits sent directly to Cash App. Checks: Cash App doesn't handle paper checks. Everything is digital. Complex banking needs: for things like loans, mortgages, or complex financial planning, Cash App isn't the answer. It's best suited for everyday money management. Cash App versus traditional banks: finding your fit. So, where does Cash App fit into your financial life? Think of it as a complementary tool to your traditional bank account. Cash App excels at everyday transactions and instant transfers. Your regular bank account, on the other hand, is still crucial for receiving paychecks, managing bills, and accessing other traditional banking services. The bottom line: your financial ecosystem. Cash App might not be a bank itself, but it offers a valuable service in today's digital age. It streamlines everyday money management and keeps your finances readily available. Remember, it's all about building a financial ecosystem that works for you. Cash App can be a great piece of that puzzle, but it might not be the only one you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.